In this video, I want to show you how to set up your Brother MFC-J4335DW with your PC computer using the Wi-Fi. I'll show you how to connect them together and also how to print and get the scan results from here to there, again, simply using the Wi-Fi. So let's get started right away. The first step is to actually go on the printer itself and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. So let's go on the control panel. I'll show you how this is done. If you're not on the home screen, press the stop exit button and you will exit if you were in a menu. Next, you're gonna press the down arrow. It says Wi-Fi over here, so we'll go directly in the Wi-Fi settings. Select Find Wi-Fi Network. It should be one of the first options. Press OK. Then select the right side arrow and wait. It will find all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around the printer. Next step is to use the up and down arrow so you can search for your Wi-Fi network. Once it's highlighted in blue, press the OK button. Now it's time to type the password. You can also use the number pad on the right side in case your password has numbers. If not, well, you'll have to use the arrows and the OK button to type it. Press OK once you are ready. You're going to get WLAN connection successful. Once your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your PC, you're going to go on the computer and click the Windows logo. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's over there. Then you're going to select Settings. On the left side, you're going to select Bluetooth and Devices. And then you're going to select right over here, scanners, okay? Printer and scanners. Select Add Device. Wait a few seconds and your Brother will appear. As you see, Brother MFC-J4335DW. Click on Add Device and wait. You won't have to download any drivers. Everything is done automatically the way you see right now. So just take a moment, wait 2-3 minutes, and after that, it should be installed on your computer. Now, if it's not working for a reason that I don't know, what I suggest is to install the driver. Go on Google and type the model name of your printer. So MFC-J4335DW and then driver at the end. Select one of the first option, which is from the official Brother website. Select your version of Windows. Mine is 11. Press OK. And now you're going to select Easy Setup. So click over here and download this software. Once the driver is installed, once the printer is installed on your computer, open any files you wish to print. So in my case, I'll go ahead, open this folder and this file. Select the print icon. On the left side over here on the printer, select your Brother printer. Should be one of the first of the list since you just added. Once it has been selected, make sure these settings matches the document you're trying to print. And at the end, press the print button. In around 12 seconds, the print should come out over here. Here we go. Now let me show you how to scan and get the results on your PC. So this printer has two different scanners. One top document feeder on the top. If you want to use it with multiple papers, okay, let's say you have 5 of them, you're gonna glide it between these two plastic glides under them. Make sure this is open over here. And you're going to hear a beep once you reach the end. This is how you input paper over here. If you want to use the regular scanner glass, you're going to put it facing down with the top part of your paper towards the left, like that. And you notice there's an arrow here. This means that you need to bring the corner of your paper so it touches the corner with the arrow. And you're going to close the lid. Now let's go on the PC. You're gonna search for the Scan app. This is an app that comes with your PC usually, and you're gonna open it. It should look like this. If you do not have the Scan app after searching for it, go on the Microsoft Store and download it. Search for Scan. It's made by Microsoft. It's all genuine. It's free. Don't worry, and download it. Once you open the app, you're going to select under Scanner your Brother printer. Mine is the MFC-J4335DW. There's a few different options. So source, make sure you select the one where your paper is input. So if you're using the flatbed, the one that I'm using currently, select it. If you're using the top document feeder, select feeder. Then you have the file type that you wish the scan to be. Click on show more. You'll be able to choose if you want the scan to be in color or black and white, the resolution. So if you're scanning pictures, select 300. If it's a text file, select 200 or 100. And finally, select in which folder of your PC you want the scan to go. I have selected desktop. Select scan and wait. At the end, you're gonna get a message on the top that it was saved to the folder that you set. So you can view it, or simply press close and continue scanning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, check my Amazon links to get new ink for your printer, some paper, or even a brand new printer. Subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.